Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Rocket Atlas, which launched on the 17th of June at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new release from John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. And what Rocket Atlas is, it shows you how to monetize one of the least used by marketers, that is, social media platforms, and create an income from it. It's actually the most responsive social media platform that there is, and it also has the best demographic audience, but it's dramatically underused by marketers generally, which is a shame, obviously, which is one of the reasons that Rocket Atlas has been created. So the John and Cynthia on this release have teamed up with another guy called Silas, who actually is an expert at making money from this platform. So they've actually brought someone in to do the training that has had great results over a long period of time. And you can see inside the members area, proof of the Silas's own account inside the system as well. So, in a nutshell, a bit of a long-winded introduction, but this is going to show you a new secret method that delivers unlimited free viral buyer traffic. It's a free platform, obviously, like most social media platforms are free to join in any niche in less than 90 seconds on autopilot once you have mastered how Rocket Atlas works. So if that sounds like it's of interest, then listen on, because I've also put together a very valuable custom bonus package which you can get by clicking on the link immediately underneath this review video. That'll bring you to this page here, and then you can click on any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0 to get my bonuses, which I'll go through in just a moment. And obviously I don't want you to miss out on them because they are custom bonuses that are exclusive to me. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. So viral traffic unlocked in minutes. New secret method delivers unlimited free viral buyer traffic in any niche. See how total beginners are making $50 plus paydays with this. It's a realistic figure. No one's claiming that you're going to make hundreds or thousands of dollars a day with this, but you can easily consistently make around, I would say, $50 to $100 a day with this method. Proven method for getting unlimited viral buyer traffic fast with no gimmicks, that's working right now and beyond. 100% beginner friendly. A secret method from an untapped site that legally leverages other people's content for viral traffic. All-inclusive automated income system. Everything you need to succeed is included, and a real-world case study from a total beginner to real results. So that's what you're going to be getting. We'll also have a look at the upsells that are available. The front end is $12.95, so it's not even a mid-range price product. Often these methods are in the sort of $17 or $18 range, but this one, it's just, as you can see, $12.95. And we'll also have a look inside the members area. There's John Newman, there's Cynthia Benitez, and you'll be introduced to Silas when we go into the main training. We'll go through that in just a moment. So let's have a look at my custom bonuses first. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. This is what we've just gone through, what Rocket Atlas is all about. And the sales video, you can either watch it here or you can watch it over on the sales page. It's up to you. Okay, so the first bonus that I'm going to throw in is 6 super solo ads. So what is a super solo ad? It is an email ad that you can send to over 35,000 members across my 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche. Now, this is worth way more than what you're going to pay for this product. It may well be even that you're watching this after recently picking up a copy of my own product, Mega Mail Out, which actually includes some super solos in them. Well, if you've done that and you want to get some more for free, well, you can do so just by picking up a copy of this product. But even if you haven't bought my Mega Mail Out product, you will still enjoy getting these free solo ads. All you have to do is send us the subject line, the body of the email, and the URL that you want the traffic to go to, and we will do the rest for you. I'm also going to throw in a bundle of lots of my previous products, including Cougar Commissions, which won Deal of the Day on Warrior Plus. This actually is pretty much my entire affiliate marketing daily model. Internet Marketing Alphabet is a genuine A to Z or A to Z of internet marketing. One complete module for every letter of the alphabet, so 26 training modules in there. Panther Profits teaches you how to make money with free giveaways. Leopard List teaches you list building. Eagle Emails teaches you about email marketing. Tiger's Traffic teaches you about traffic, getting free organic traffic. Mukal Moolah will show you 5 separate standalone methods to make money online. And Cashless Creator will show you how I started out by, in internet marketing, by offering memberships at free to join membership sites. And that is, how I started out and how that has now grown to 25 MMO sites that I currently have. Also going to throw in an updated version, although this is a great product bundle here, and Eagle Emails is a great email marketing course. That one has actually been updated about a year later with another course called Essential Emails, which retains most of the elements of the original course but throws in some additional training, so you'll get that as well. Exiters is a great course from James Fawcett. Golden Stash will show you how you can turn $10 into $250 over and over again. Goldmine Seeker is a great domain flipping course from Jamie Lewis. InstaQuick Income, 4 ways to earn from Instagram, from a nice marketer called Actor Alum, who I actually launched a product with a couple of years ago. Lazy Traffic Sniper shows you how you can find and monetize free buyer traffic. That is a course from John O. Armstrong. Mave is a course from the Digital Dames that will show you how to get traffic on tap at your fingertips. And Method X is another great affiliate marketing course. And of course you will get all of the vendor bonuses that John and Cynthia and Silas are giving away. So I hope you can see, folks, that there are lots of reasons why you should pick up Rocket Atlas from my affiliate link and no one else's. So let's have a quick look at the sales page, and I'm not going to spend too much time on it because obviously you can read this yourself. I will draw your attention to the fact that there is a 365-day money back guarantee. Do have a look through it, folks, and see all the testimonials and all the other stats. All I want to really show you here is the bonuses that you're going to get from Cynthia and John. So bonus number 1, OLSP Traffic Domination Group. Bonus number 2, ATM Profits, will give you your own done-for-you autopilot profit machine. Bonus 3, Commission Secrets, will give you the inside secrets of the super affiliates. Bonus 4, Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded. You'll learn how to build a powerful buyers list fast, which will pay you over and over again. And there's also a fast action bonus. If you're one of the first 150, you'll be invited to a training for how Cynthia and John made $12,226 in 30 days using other people's products and our secret CBP method. That's a live training, so do look out for that. And as I said, the price, there's another fast action bonus, sorry about this. Let's cover everything. That's the first fast action bonus. There's another first action bonus, so that was for the first 150. If you're one of the first 100, you'll also get access to an autopilot traffic software app that gives you free targeted traffic. It's set and forget, it runs on autopilot, and there's a 5-minute setup, so that's yours free as well if you're one of the first 100. So do move quickly on this one, folks, and as I said, there is a 365-day guarantee. There's the 3 of them, and as I said, that price is going to be $12.95. So a quick look inside the members area. So you've got your introductions from John, your introduction from Cynthia. This is really good. You've got an orientation video. This is if you're going to be one of the first 150, this will be here. If not, then this one won't be in your version when you go to it. This is some very good mindset training, folks, that I strongly recommend that you do, because one of the reasons a lot of people fail online actually isn't anything to do with the product or anything like that. It's actually all in their heads. And this is like a quick orientation that I strongly recommend that you watch, which will get your head right before you start. And then we're going to go into the main training where Silas is going to walk you through everything. Then you're going to go through your next step. Everything here is like, you know, gone into in great detail. Then you've got access to your bonuses here. There's also some unannounced bonuses. There's some resources. And if you missed any of the upgrades, which we're going to go through in a minute, you can get them there. So in terms of the pricing, front end is $12.95. The first upsell is $37, which is the pro version, which will enable you to unlock some advanced training strategies and insider secrets to earn even more money. The upgrade number 2 is done for you, Atlas 365. You'll get done for you bonus pages every week for 365 days. You'll need Commission Gorilla for that. It's pretty similar to my done for you weekly campaigns, $47. Those that get that every week, you know, if you want another set of bonuses, it will almost certainly be it will definitely be different bonuses, but it'll almost certainly be different products as well, so that'll give you a second iron to your fire, so to speak. Steal our traffic. You can put your pixel on John and Cynthia's sales pages for the next 12 months and build up a huge audience of proven buyers. That's $197. Quadruple reseller rights, upgrade 4, $47. You can not only sell Rocket Atlas as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions, but you can also get reseller rights to another 3 of their best-selling products: Commission Secrets, Profit Cyclone, and Traffic Legion. So reseller rights to 4 products for $47. That is a pretty good deal. And then the super affiliate method, $997. This is the beta tester group for coaching and mentoring, where John and Cynthia will work with you personally to lead you to success. That's limited to 20 people only. So I hope you can see, folks, a lot of value there. I hope you can see with my bonuses, especially these solos, you know, there's loads of value, and this product bundle, you know, it should be a no-brainer, hopefully, to pick this up at that low entry price of $12.95. I'm going to give this a 5-star review because, you know, it's a well-structured course delivered well by someone that's proven to have success using this particular social media site. So with that said, all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on that subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon, and you'll be informed every time I bring out new content. I did forget to tell you, of course, where you get your bonuses. So it's a while since I've done one of these videos because the stuff coming out recently has not been good enough for me to do a review. I'll be quite brutally honest with you. But so once you've actually picked up your copy, you click on the green button here to access Rocket Atlas. Yeah, this will be inside your Warrior Plus account. And then you click on this blue button here, and that will access your bonuses. It'll take you to a Commission Gorilla bonus page where you click on all the individual bonuses to download them. So that is how you access after you've picked up your copy of Rocket Atlas. I should have mentioned that first. And that's pretty much it. So all that remains, as I said, is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group with my review of Rocket Atlas.